Welcome back to the shop. Day after Thanksgiving, we out here working hard. I want to talk to you about air filters. Probably one of the first things we all want to do when our saw ain't seeming to be running right is jump in there and start adjusting the car. A lot of times it has nothing to do with that and we don't realize that. A lot of times it's an air filter. Take for example, I got a Husqvarna 445 here on the bench. I'm going to show you what an air filter should look like new. And that's what that one looks like. No way that can breathe. When you do that, you change the air intake and the saw isn't mixing properly, so that you're definitely not going to run right like that. So that kind of falls under the yearly maintenance type thing, or if you use your saw a lot more frequently, check that filter every now and then. Because if you get in there and start tweaking that carb and lean that carb out, you're going to burn that saw up. Filters ain't that expensive, so periodically when your saw seems like it's maybe losing some power, or the chain keeps spinning when you're sitting there idling, or the saw doesn't want to maintain an idle, check that filter before you start tweaking that carb. You may find it's a simple fix.